you more room. But I think she's okay. You're okay with room, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Costumes are great. Wow.
That's the same Clifford.
Yeah, same.
Okay, they were
Oh, that's right. Okay.
right.
Yeah, they are.
The purple.
The horses' masks are the same.
Yeah.
You're right. Who's that?
These kids have only been doing this since July, and that's in between their regular volunteer work. So let's put your hands together. These girls are doing a terrific job. These are school horses, ladies and gentlemen. I'll bet it was fun trying to put those masks on those horses. Huh? They'd like to hear your appreciation.
With hearts like ours beat, and I fell for you like a child. Whoa, divine wind wild.
3 months, that's all they had, ladies and gentlemen. Fantastic job. performing on the Donata Drill Team at the Fall Festival. Today, Aubrey is riding Blaze. Now Blaze is a 14-year-old quarter pony. Aubrey's favorite part about being a part of Drill Team is building a deep relationship with her teammates and her mount. So let's hear it for Blaze and Audrey. Now Gail, let's wave to him. There we go. Gail resides in Lisle, and she's been a Donata volunteer for 9 years. This is Gail's 3rd year performing on the Drill Team. Gail has been lucky enough to ride with both of her daughters on Drill Team. Gail's beautiful mount is Grace, and Grace is a 12-year-old Percheron mare. She stands 16 hands tall. Gail's favorite thing about Drill Team is practicing on the crisp fall evenings. Thank you, Gail. Yeah. Now, Rosalind, let's raise your hand. There we go. There's Rosalind. She's from Downers Grove, and she's been volunteering at Donata for over 5 years. This is her first time riding on a musical drill team, and she couldn't be happier riding with her teammates. Now, Roz is riding a beautiful and intelligent 11-year-old half-Percheron mare named Moxie. Moxie was born here at the center and has grown up all around the volunteers. Moxie loves to show off and show you her smile. Let's hear it for Rosalind and Moxie. And rounding up the 4th Musketeers out there, Kelly from Woodridge. There we go, Kelly. She has been a volunteer here at Donata for the past 4 years.